In April 1960, a proposal was raised at the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee to declare Assamese as the one and only official language of the state. The Bengali language movement of Barak Valley, Assam, took place to raise voice against this decision of government of Assam. As major proportion of Barak Valley population speaks Bangla language, as 80% of the valley's residents are Bengalis. The main incident took place on 19th May 1961 at Shilchar railway station, in which 11 Bengalis were killed by Assam police. Remembering this incident, a thought struck my mind. Many a times we ask ourselves and the society, why aren't we studying our favorite subjects in our very own language, our mother tongue? Why are we fated to choose English as the medium while pursuing higher studies? The competitive exams held across India are available only in one language, English. But why so? While brooding over these questions for the last few days, I've tried to chalk out something like this, as placed below. India is a multilingual country where different people from different states have different food habits, various kinds of clothing, different mindsets, and finally, most of them speak different languages. Don't we feel proud of this? In South India, people can speak in so many languages: Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam. Not only that, in places like Kolkata, Medinipur, Santal Pargana, all over West Bengal and in Bangladesh, only one language, Bengali, is spoken in various dialects. Now, the argument is, where different people from different states have different food habits, various kinds of clothing, different mindsets, and finally, most of them speak different languages. Don't we feel proud of this? In South India, people can speak in so many languages. If we come back to our medium of instruction, how is it possible to set question papers in so many languages? It can create problem during job interviews as well. Coming to this point, according to Indian literary scholar Dr. Pabitra Sarkar, we should certainly study in our mother language. Talking about the national competitive exams, he says that those should be held in our mother language as well. Though India is a multilingual country, still it is possible to set question papers in at least 22 mother language out of 144 others. In other countries like Japan, they do continue their studies in their mother language, and sometimes they even don't need to learn any other foreign languages. Now, one may ask, why is there so much stress on studying English both as a subject and a medium at various levels? How did it come about? In the pre-British era, there were only tolls and madrasas in the country as the preliminary schooling for children. In 1757, the East India Company took over India. When the British emerged, gradually education institutes were set up in India. A time came when the Governor General, Lord Hardinge, 1844, declared that Indians who knew English were to be preferred for the government jobs. English education therefore got highly privileged. British English, or the Indian version of it, began to be spoken and written all over India by the English educated class, sarcastically called the Babus. So, it is the only foreign language that almost monopolized our education system, and now it is the only foreign language which is more or less known to all of us, starting from a poor middle class Indian family to a highly educated one. Shri Dipankar Sarkar, a former teacher of mathematics of our school, Patho Bhavun, told me in an interview that while a subject is being taught in English in the classroom, what we Indian students do is to mentally translate the lesson in our language, and there is a loss of both time and comprehension. When we realized that we seldom do that, one can well imagine how such loss of time and understanding piles up, ultimately resulting in our loss of learning. Those who are instructed in mother tongue do not have to lag behind in this manner just because of a language barrier. So, let us think over the fact which one should be our medium of instruction for studies, our mother language or a foreign one?